Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to renew e-trade license online. Start at the official portal and sign in using your digital ID and secure password. Upload scanned documents like proof of business and your prior license in PDF format. Verify every field carefully to avoid rejection and preview the application before submission. Pay the renewal fee with a supported card or bank transfer and save the confirmation receipt for your records. Begin by logging into the portal and navigating to the License Services section to pick Renewal. Fill each form field carefully and confirm the business name and license number match your documents. Upload the scanned files in the specified formats and use the preview tool to catch mistakes. Proceed to the Secure Payment page and complete the transaction. Finally, download the receipt and reference number to track your renewal status easily. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp scent that makes paperwork trips more pleasant. I use it after long days at the office, and it always brightens the drive. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your application is rejected, first check file formats and size limits for uploads and convert files if needed. Confirm that the business name and license number exactly match your official documents to prevent processing delays. For payment problems, try an alternate card or contact your bank for authorization details. If the portal times out, save your draft and retry later. Keep screenshots of errors to help support resolve issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.